Hey guys, Steve and Kylie here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Kylie, what are we taking a look at today?
Today we're going to take a look at the Beretta APX carry.
I feel like both times I said it, I want to say taken, but I almost said like tooken a look.
It sounded like tooken.
Tooken a look at today. The striker-fired Beretta has a barrel length of 3 inches, a magazine capacity of 6 or 8, depending on which magazine you have in it, an overall height of 4.17 inches, length at 5.63 inches, weight unloaded is going to come in right around 19.8 ounces. MSRP is going to be around $450. Naturally, you'll find that for less out at retail. Trigger sucks.
That trigger pull is something.
Yes, it is something. I don't get, because the other APXs, I feel like have a better trigger. I've tried them out and shot them. I don't know what it is. Maybe this is something different, but it feels more like a double action, very long, heavy pull.
Right.
Not a fan. Doesn't feel like a traditional striker fire. Maybe we're doing something wrong. We'll have to look into that. But I'm not a fan of the trigger on this particular model. The other APXs, I do like triggers on them. All right, what else?
Other than that, I mean, it was all right.
Yeah, we both, I mean, despite the trigger, we both hit the target every time.
Yeah, we hit all the targets and it seemed like it was pretty accurate, but that trigger, that was just, that's a huge deal.
All right, so 1 to 5, what are you gonna rate this thing at?
I think we're gonna give it like 3.5.
Yeah, I'm probably around 3. It's an okay gun. I own it. Beretta makes good guns.
Yeah.
I'm just not completely crazy about this particular model, but I
Right.
really do like Berettas as an overall brand.
Agreed.
All right.
If you want to see more of our videos and you like what you're watching when it comes to Steve and I, you're gonna hit the bell. It's underneath our screen right now that we're on.
It's down there somewhere.
Get notifications when we upload new videos and make sure to give us a thumbs up.
Absolutely. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you watching. Take care. Hey guys, Steve and you're not Alex.
Oh my God!
Hey guys, Steve and Alex. Sucker. So that
Didn't put in this video.
the whole purpose of these videos was to have one beginner and one sort of quasi-experienced, as far as they know.
Quasi.
Quasi. I'm not even sure how to spell that. I'll bet he'll put it up on the bottom of the screen just to teach us all. What do you want to bet?
Quasi.